These fucking birds. These are all the damn birds, AJ and Pete. You see all these fucking birds, y'all? Look, check it out. Look, here it comes. Look. See all these fucking birds, dude. See them all? We're in Plainview, Texas, waiting on the Greyhound bus, man, to go to y'all's house. Look at all these fucking birds, man. This is a fucking trip, dude. Look at all the birds. Look at all of them. Like millions of damn birds on the ground over here, dude. See the car? See them all? I guess they're wanting to buy a Ford. That's what it is. They're wanting you to buy a Ford. Fuck a Ford. A million of them. See, look at all of them. Whoa.